Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best omelette every time. Now, be it egg white omelets or regular omelets with whole eggs. So I'm going to show you my favorite omelets for egg whites and whole eggs. So let's get started. So let's first start with the egg white omelette. So of course you're going to need some egg whites, and today I'm going to be doing an omelette with some fresh green onions and cherry tomatoes. Season with a bit of salt and give it a good whisk until it's nice and frothy. Next, heat up a pan on medium-low heat and add in some butter and just let that melt really nicely, and then just spread that all around that pan. I'm using a non-stick pan here. That really helps out and makes your job so much easier. I recommend you use your best non-stick pan and then pour the egg whites right in to that pan. Now, egg whites are notorious for being hard to work with because they don't have that fat content from the egg yolk. So you need a great pan to make sure you get a great omelette. Now, just grate in some cheese. Use your favorite cheese. My recommendation is you use a strong white cheddar. It goes amazingly well with the egg whites because egg whites themselves are kind of bland, so that cheese really adds that seasoning and creaminess to the egg whites, which they are really truly missing. Now release it from the pan, make sure you give it a shake and then fold it really gently in half, or you can do it in a rectangle if you want to go for a more French style shape. Of course, this is not a French omelette by any way. That is a perfect, delicious egg white omelette, and I quite like that slight browning on the egg whites because again, egg whites are kind of bland and that just adds to the flavor. So now let's go to our whole egg omelette. Now this is one of my favorite omelettes. I grew up with it. All you need are 2 eggs or an egg and 2 egg whites, some onions, I prefer red onions, and some spicy green chilies. This may not be the most fulfilling omelette for some, but for me, this does the job. Now again, add some salt and give it a really good whisk. You want to whisk it until it becomes nice and smooth. The yolk should be combined with the whites completely and it should be very, very smooth. Melt some butter and just let that completely melt. Same steps as earlier, just let that spread out all across that pan and then pour in your egg mixture. That looks very good. Now the trick is to cover the pan and just let that cook very gently until there's something that looks just like that. Again, release the omelette from the pan, give it a good shake to make sure it's off, and then give it a flip just to finish cooking that other side. You don't always have to do that, but if you are worried about runny eggs, you can do that. And there you go. I'm just going to fold this in half and I'm going to warm up my bread in this case. I'm just going to put that on the other half of that pan and then just put that omelette over that bread so it doesn't overcook and my bread gets toasted and coated with that delicious butteriness and the egg flavor that's already in that pan. And that's it. Just let your toast get ready if you like it crispy or not, and serve it. Now this may be cringy for some, but I love my eggs with some tomato ketchup. I've been told that I like ketchup with unconventional things. Maybe this is just another one of those things, but you do you. You enjoy your eggs the way you want to have eggs, and I really hope you have a great breakfast. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know when my next video comes out. Give me a like and comment down below if you want more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Bye guys.